Let's take a look at our problem string. There's a sale at the store on cases of water. Each case contains 26 bottles of water. If we want to know how many bottles will be in one case, we're trying to figure out 1 times 26, and how many bottles would be in two cases would be 2 times 26, or two groups of 26. Over here we have our ratio table. The top is labeled number of cases, and the bottom is labeled total water bottles. So in one case, we have 26 water bottles. We could take that 1 and double it, or multiply it by 2 to figure out 2 cases. And then we have to take that 26 and also double it to get our answer of 52. Let's take a look at the next problem. We have 4 cases of 26, or 4 times 26. Building off our ratio table, we're going to try to figure out what the total would be. So we'll take that 2 and we'll multiply it by 2, or we'll double that 2 to get us our answer of 4. And then we have to do the same thing to the 52. 52 times 2 gets us our answer of 104. I want you to take a look at the next problem, 8 times 26. How could you use our ratio table to keep building up to figure out 8 groups of 26? I want you to do that on your own and then check back on the next video to see how you did.